Okay.
Hey guys, we got a really good video today. If you have a 44 Magnum, I think you'd be really interested in what I'm about to shoot. You have the three of the most powerful, hottest ammo they could probably buy factory, and really curious on what they're going to do. Now, you're pretty familiar with two of them. Underwood, I'm sure you've seen before, roughly 1400 feet per second. Buffalo Bore, pretty much the same. Garrett, very, very highly recommended. Very, lot of views, paragraphs on how good it is. Nothing but good comments. But before we start, I'd like to thank my good buddy Trey for letting me use his range here. He has anything from this, your own little personal cubby hole, all the way out to 900 yards. Very friendly, experienced staff to help you with anything you need. You could rent out guns, anything from a little pea shooter all the way up to a 50 caliber. Here at 900 yards, if you're in the area, I highly recommend just stop by and they'll really help you with all your shooting needs. So, start here with the, I'm going to start here with the Underwood first and see what happens. Oh, and before we shoot, hope my little setup holds up. I got 500 paper plates, have 8 pine boards. Hopefully it won't move. And if by some chance it goes through that, I have 5 water jugs. So hopefully we'll be able to stop the bullet, and I'm just really curious to see just how far these bullets go and how they perform. So let's get started. First up, Underwood. Let's see what we got here. And all right, through the plates somewhere in there, but we'll count them later. All right. Next up, Buffalo Bore. $340 plus P. See what we got. Looks like that one went a little farther. Went all the way almost through. All right. Now, I'm going to take these down. So you can see it went through. Garrett cartridges, 330 grain plus P hammerheads. It's supposed to be the best in the industry, but let's just see how it performs. Wow. Guess they weren't kidding. This is an awesome load. It did go the farthest. Almost hit the next few boards. Put a good dent. Oh, that's impressive. Well, guys, it looks like the Garrett Plus P hammerheads did go the farthest. If you ever go squid hunting, this will definitely get the job done. I highly would recommend this one. All right, let's see where the other ones went. So, Underwood. It looks like Underwood made it to the second. Buffalo boar made it through. I don't know where that bullet went. And Garrett definitely went all the way through. Put a pretty good dent in there. Where's that? Wait a minute. 2. Yep. So, all right, so this is Garrett. We're definitely all the way through. It looks like they hit the same spot, Buffalo boar and Garrett. And Underwood did hit. Yep. I think all 3 of them went through, but I can only find 1 bullet. That's still pretty impressive. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like the video. Hit like and share, and thank you.